Hey guys, ExileFusion's here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to hook up this. First, what you need is dazzle itself. 3 of these, but I have 2 because I have a different TV. 3 of these. Those are splitters, AV8 splitters, and you need your AV8 cables. Yellow, red, white, yellow, red, white. Okay, now. Alright. What you want to do first is, you can't see it because I'm playing on my laptop right now on my webcam, but I'm going to take your, the USB part to the dazzle, hook it up to the USB port, and once you do that, you should hear ba-bump, ba-bump image. Once you do that, green light, then pick one side of your AV8 splitter. Okay? Once you do that, you hook up the ones that you're hooking up with. Should red, white, yellow. But me, I never use red. Don't know why. Just don't. But I'll just hook it up just for filming purposes. Okay? Got them all hooked up, all in the right spots. Should look like this. Okay? Now, once you do that, I'm just gonna show you on this TV because it's not my TV that I ever play on. Now you take your splitter, hook one end up, take the other one, and if you want to use red too, take about 3 of them, about 3 of these, and then take your alright. See, I have Turtle Beaches, but okay. Okay, take your yellow, hook it up. You take after you. Well, I'm just gonna hook up all. Here we go. You take the white. Don't care about red. But if you want to make sure you get sound out of your Turtle Beaches, I always do this. Red, white, red, and then put your wet cord in. It should look like that. Okay. Take your AV8 splitters, put it into the matching component, like so. Hook it up right there. Check this side. Hook it up right there. Voila. And that's about it. Download your software, of course. But if you could, you can use virtual dub like me. But yeah, have fun with that, guys. I'm out.